Computer fundamentals. Introduction. Computer is a man-made machine which runs on electricity. That is why it is called an electronic machine. It is a wonderful machine as it can do many types of work for us. It works very fast and does not make mistakes. It does not do anything of its own, but it needs our instructions to work with. A smart machine. Computer has many special features, which makes it a smart machine. These are as follows. It helps to do our work very quickly, because of its fast working speed. It never makes any mistakes while doing work. It has memory like us where it can store our information. It can do a variety of jobs for us to solve our different types of problems. Human beings and computers. Computers cannot work on their own. They do what you want them to do only if you give them the right command. Below is the comparison between human being and computers. Human being. Computer. Depends on food. Works on electricity. Slow in doing calculations. Can do complex calculations in seconds. Cannot remember lots of things. Can store and remember a large amount of information. Make mistakes. Does not make mistakes. Have feelings. Does not have feelings. Can think and take decisions. Cannot think and take decisions on its own. Gets tired for working long hours. Gets bored for repetitive. Never gets tired and bored. Need for computers. There are a number of tasks that a computer can do. It can be used to draw and color pictures. It can be used to play games. It can be used to writing and reading documents, stories. It can be used to play music and watch movies. It can do calculations in a moment. It can store a large amount of information. It can be used to send emails, chat with friends using internet. Types of computers. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer which is kept on a desk. It is also called a personal computer, PC. These work only on electricity. Such computers are used in homes, offices or at school. Laptop. A laptop is lighter and smaller in size than desktop computer. Laptop is a portable computer which is small enough to fit on a person's lap. It looks like a briefcase. It can be easily carried from one place to another. It can also work on battery. Tablet. This is a small, handheld type of computer which is bigger than a mobile phone and smaller than laptop. It works simply by touching its screen. A tablet computer can be carried while traveling. It can also work on a battery. Smartphones. It is a smaller than a tablet. It has feature of touchscreen. On smartphone you can make a call, as well as you can also play games, draw pictures. Parts of computer. A computer has many parts, and each part has a special function. The four main parts of the computer are given below. Monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Monitor. A monitor is a device that displays pictures and text on its screen. It looks like a television. It is connected to the CPU with a wire. A monitor, also called Visual Display Unit, VDU, because it displays the work done on the computer. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. A CPU contains many important parts of a computer. CPU connects all the parts of the computer and makes them work together. Most of the calculations are done in the CPU. It also stores all the information. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device with a tail that controls the movement of a pointer on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it, which can be clicked to perform actions on the computer. It is used for pointing at objects and drawing pictures on a computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to feed data into the computer. It is made of several small buttons called keys. These keys are used for typing numbers, letters and other symbols. Usually what is typed on the keyboard appears on the monitor. Thank you. For more videos subscribe on Kids Circle. To download worksheets or our Android app, please check the description box below.